What up, guys? So I've already done this video once before, but it was the audio didn't work for some reason. Anyway, so doing a packing video for New Zealand, going tomorrow now. So it's gonna be cool. So I'm planning on doing a lot of hiking and stuff between my job. So got my tent, sleeping mat, poles, pegs. Obviously cooking gear, utensils. That's just a pocket rain pants from Kathmandu, just in case it gets wet anytime I'm over there. And what else? So shoes, which I'll be wearing. Actually, I'll be probably wearing these on the plane. So these are Vivo Barefoot, the Gobi 2s. Just got them the other day. They're Merrell trail runners. They're all minimalist, just so they pack easier, and I'm trying to fix my feet, so hopefully they work. Anyway, clothes are in here and here. I'm not going to open them, I'll do a separate video, but these are just a Kathmandu packing cells, so I'll show you. You can see these just compress up, so I've basically just got jackets, like 3 t-shirts, long sleeve, and then socks. Essentially, that's pretty much that. And then I've got shorts. 3 pairs of shorts. 2 of those are running shorts, and then 2 pairs of pants. So it compresses up relatively smaller than what it was. Yep. And I got about 7 pairs of socks, 7 pairs of jocks, so yeah. I got a lot to do today, so I'm probably trying to do it quick. Anyway, so that's them done. What more? So they're good. I like those Kathmandu packing cells, the compressible ones. So more kind of hiking gear if I need it. A couple of bottles for the soya filter, gloves, first aid kit there, so pack lock just in case you need to lock my bag for something. And that's toiletries in there. Hat. Don't know if we'll use it much. And thongs and a belt. Okay, so this is my bag. This is Gregory Zulu 55. So it opens. Why I got it is because it opens at the front as well as the top. So I wanted a hiking bag that could be basically a travel bag. So that's good. Other things I've got. Sleeping bag. Now this looks big, but trust me, it compresses down, which I might show you that right now. So this is the Enlightened Equipment quilt, the Revelation, which I bought not knowing if it had compressed down more than my last one, but it does with this Kathmandu compressible sack. So when I need to put everything in my bag, I can do it this way. So that's super handy. That's like I had a Cedar Summit bag, and that compressed down to, it was an older one, it was a Traverse, and it compressed down to like half this size nearly. So I'm super happy that I can take this, because I wasn't actually going to take a sleeping bag until I realised that this compressed down super compressible. I bought it from Mass Drop hoping that it'd work, which it does. So that's that. Now that is my cooking kit. It's a GSI minimalist. Well, I'd better check I don't have a canister in there because the airport's not going to like it. No, good. There's a MSR pocket rocket to cook in that one, so that's already in there, which is good. This is kind of the day pack that I'm going to be carrying on. This is a Matador, a Beast 28, so it's a good one because I'll do a lot of like day hikes hopefully between my jobs, and I've got the hip belt and this, so it's more of a technical bag, but it's a packable one, so it rolls up into itself, well, into another little tiny bag. So I think that's pretty cool. It's got like, I'll do a separate video on that when I arrive because I don't have time for it now. It's just got camera gear and like, you know, your rain jacket and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty good. And like the little things. What else is in there? Camera bag. I've literally just already said the first two things I've seen. Oh yeah, and all my tech gear, so all my cords, all my wires, all my power banks, got 2 power banks, stuff like that. So anyway, I won't go into that now. So the intention, I've added a few things since I did the last one that didn't work. So it should all fit into here. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna wear those. I'm going to carry the toiletries in the tack bag, I reckon, so I'll leave that out. Yeah, so what I'm planning on doing, I won't, for the airport, I'll carry this as my carry-on, but I've got this here. This is a Granite Gear duffel bag. This will go over this and protect it when it's underneath the plane, and that also gives me the ability to have another bag when I'm there, whether I get more stuff or easy to sort stuff, you know, all that kind of stuff. And if I, you know, go on a hike with this and you know, I've got laptop and stuff I don't want to take, yeah, that's gonna stay at home and be locked up. So that's what I figured. But for the airport and traveling around before I get a car and stuff like that, what I'm gonna do, this is fitted before. My plan is to actually put this in the top here, because this top has heaps of room. It's a good thing about these hiking bags is they have room at the top, and this is going to feel like an absolute glove beauty. Would you look at that? Oh, so there's actually a fair bit of room still there for me to, which you can't do. Wasn't that easy last time I did it. I'm feeling like I'm missing something. Because I've got my clothes that I'm carrying out already, so that's working anyway. What the fuck is that now? Let's see. That'll go there. What the fuck? There we have it. Bottles inside. Oh, there's this bottle as well. happy that fitted real well today. Yeah, so that's basically going to be my setup. Let me know if you think I missed something or something in there that I don't need, because that would always help. But yeah, super excited for the trip tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be staying till May, so anyway, I'll do a separate video on what's going on in New Zealand. So super excited, hope you liked it. Leave a comment down below, like and subscribe. But yeah, peace. Can't wait for this trip. Yeah, hope you like it. Anyway, cheers.